Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Thank you all for joining me. I hope everyone's having a wonderful weekend. It's Sunday, May 19th, and here in Nova Scotia, it's been a wonderful week. The first big week of bird migration has been the past few days. I recorded my canvas back video last Monday, so 6 days ago, and then since then it's been non-stop looking for warblers and getting my first of the years off the list. So today's no exception. I'm down in Stronach Park in Kingston, Nova Scotia, and I'm looking for a scarlet tanager and whatever else we can find. There's been one reported a few times on eBird, and then I talked to some other birders yesterday and they said they might come down here today, so I'm here bright and early. It's not a great day, it's kind of cold and gray, but we're gonna have a look. The nice scarlet tanager should come through regardless of the sky, so let's see what we can find. Let's go. The leaves have really come out in the last few days, so it's gonna make spotting small birds a little more difficult, but I'm still pretty optimistic we'll find something cool in here. I love this forest. It's a really good habitat because along with this forest there's a river or a stream and a bog marsh type habitat up here, so you get lots of flycatchers, different types of warblers. Hopefully we can find the summer tanager, or the scarlet tanager, sorry. I hear a black and white warbler up here. Something straight ahead in here. Oh, it's a female rose-breasted grosbeak. Yeah. Okay. Oh, hello. And there is the male, eating some breakfast. They're awesome looking birds. I used to see them in Ontario a fair bit. They're less common here. Oh, there's a brown creeper. Where did he go? Oh, there he goes. Oh, I think I just saw the tanager. No way. Yeah. Got it, no way. Yes. Let's go. Oh, there's so many mosquitoes. Gross. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's landing right here. Oh my god, let's zoom in. Oh, it's beautiful. Wow. Still right there in front of me. Oh, that's so lucky that I found it so quickly. It's such a striking bird. Like, I find it's even more red than a northern cardinal, and that's saying something, but super lucky that I was looking at a brown creeper and I saw a flash of red just above me. He's still just ahead of me up in the trees here. I'm gonna get some more shots. That was super cool. What was that? I don't know, but this is sick. Let's go. Come on, turn your head. He's gone up in the branches a little bit. I'm gonna take another video. What's that? Oh, nice. Is that a veery? Awesome. Wow, okay. Sweet. I don't see the tanager anymore. Or do I? Oh yeah, I do. He just flew way up there. Oh, that was so sweet though. Alright, well, just like at the canvasback in Brookfield last week, I found what I was looking for pretty quick. So I'm gonna do another walk around and see what else we can find in here. I hear a ton of stuff in here, but it's hard to see everything. I hear lots of ovenbirds. Some flycatchers. Some yellow warblers and vireos and all kinds of stuff. This is a great spot. What was that? Sounded like a yellow warbler, but it could have been a waterthrush. Either a thrush or a veery. It's a bad photo of it. Yeah, my phone picked up a northern waterthrush. I thought so. Least flycatcher. It's a cool shot of him. All kinds of birds right here. Ovenbird. It's a type of warbler. Another one of those flycatchers. I definitely hear the northern waterthrush sort of straight ahead. And a blue-headed vireo up here somewhere. What is that? Oh, another ovenbird. Yeah. I actually got my first northern waterthrush ever the other day on my way back from the canvasback trip. I stopped at a hot spot on eBird that I saw was pretty active in the last little bit. Some well-known birders were there and they saw like 41 species or something, and I decided to drive down a dusty old road and find a northern waterthrush. It was great. And then I actually found one the next morning as well. But this place is amazing. I'm just gonna sit here and see if the one that's close can come by and I can get another shot. Wow. I think it's moved. Yeah. It's right here. Oops. Okay. I think it just landed in that tree in front of me. It's in the grass in front of me now. Oh, yeah, there it is. Yeah, there it is. I was looking for him and he's right there in the tree. Nice. Flew up higher. Sweet. That's awesome. Awesome. Cool. It's the third time I've ever seen one. There seems to be quite a few around this year. I am, of course, shooting today on my Sigma 150 to 600 millimeter telephoto lens. I'm using an adapter so I can use it on a mirrorless camera. I'm shooting on my R7, a Canon mirrorless crop sensor. It's been pretty good this morning, honestly. I think the bright colors of the birds are helping the autofocus, at least with the scarlet tanager. But what an incredible morning. The monopod I'm using as well is an Amazon monopod. I do have some affiliate links down in the description of my video as well as my channel. If you're looking to purchase a monopod, it's really cheap, but it helps taking video specifically. I don't want to lug around a tripod with me, but for an opportunity like today where I get to see such a cool bird, taking those video shots would be pretty difficult if I didn't have the monopod. So you can check out one of those links. It doesn't cost you any more. Helps me out if you purchase those. Definitely helps me out with my photography. Oh, there's so many mosquitoes. I haven't seen any until today. That's unfortunate. It's been so nice going birding without any mosquitoes around, but birds gotta eat. That's probably also why there's so many in here today. I'm surprised there's nobody else here. It's probably because it's sort of gray and misty out. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 16 mallards. They weren't here when I came in, I don't think. I looked for stuff here. Well, I'm just back at the front of the trail by my car, so I'm gonna end the video and head home. I got a lot of editing to do from the last few days. I actually start a new job in 2 days on Tuesday. It's a remote GIS analyst job, so luckily I'll be able to stay home and work on that, and then also have lots of time for my birding and photography, I hope. But I'm pretty excited. It's going to be great. I just graduated with my Master's of Science in Applied Geomatics, so that's why I've been so busy recently. I haven't had much time to make videos and take photos. I've been doing some birding in the last month, but the winter was pretty busy for me, so I'm really excited for the next few weeks in the spring and then heading into summer, so stay tuned for that. If you did enjoy this video, give it a like down below and subscribe to the channel if you want to see future videos. Mosquitoes. I am going to Ontario in a few weeks, back to my old stomping grounds where I started this hobby, so I'm super stoked. If you want to see those, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you then. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your weekend.